right, 7:30 in the morning. We got the Creative Bespoke Bentley Bentayga and we're inside the Mustang. We're gonna be heading out in a few minutes and to the starting grid, so I'll see you guys there.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah, I'm plotting. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at hardest, slide right up.
So we just arrived at the starting grid of Goldrush 2020, and here's what it looks like. So we've got the orange Rolls Royce, Dawn, the 812 Superfast, the Mansory Syracuse 488XX, our Goldrush Mustang GT 5.0, our Bentley Bentayga with the Onyx body kit. We got Gigi's GT3 and GT3 RS. Then we got the Burger King Goldrush Rally logo. It's really cool with the design. Then we got Ramin, and we got Pet Fred, and we got Savage Garage with their Flyra. So we're gonna be heading out from here to Monterey, and then Monterey to Lake Tahoe, and then Lake Tahoe to Vegas. And it's looking really promising. Now I didn't record when we were driving because I was driving, so obviously recording and driving is very dangerous. So we'll see you guys as soon as we start, but so far it's looking awesome. All right, so we're about to start Goldrush 2020. I'm with my friend Derek Jones, or Avenger 5.0 on his Instagram, and we're about to start. Now, we need gas. We're at 58 miles because we did a lot of stuff earlier. But so we've got our Onyx Bentley Bentayga, we've got a Urus back there, we've got the Trump 812 Superfast with the Novatech body kit, and the Mansory 488XX, which is absolutely awesome, driven by his wife. And yeah, this is gonna be an awesome king trip. This is gonna be amazing, bro. So yeah, stay tuned. Unfortunately, I don't want to film when I'm driving because we're driving properly. So I don't want to be distracted, but hopefully he'll film for me, right?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, so we'll keep you guys updated. Our first stop should be lunch around in Ladstone's Restaurants. Looks like we're about 30 minutes away. Oh, but yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna get some food at Morro Bay, and then after that, yeah. So we're gonna be following the Bentley Bentayga and these two. And it's gonna be freaking epic! Everyone, welcome to Goldrush 2020.
I need the hype, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah, I'm plotting. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at hardest, slide right up.
All right, so here's an update. We're 34 minutes away from our lunch spot. We caught up with one of the Gold Rushers in the Fisker Karma back there. Yeah, a lot of things happened this morning. A lot of Gold Rushers got pulled over. A lot of one one team actually got rear-ended. So hopefully they're gonna come back with a new car hopefully soon. So yeah, other than that, we're 30 minutes away. We're gonna park our cars in the dock apparently, so that's gonna be fun. And after that, just get some lunch and head down to the Spanish Bay Inn. So that's gonna be exciting. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bro, we're somewhere, but Morro Beach. Check that out. We got all the cars on the docks. We got our Bentayga back there. But we're gonna grab some lunch, and after that we're gonna head out to Monterey, and hopefully yeah, that will be the day. We're basically just gonna keep updating you guys on what's gonna happen, and yeah, so we're gonna grab some lunch. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so a little update. We just stopped by the gas station. So far we met up with a bunch of cars like this Huracan, with the 1016 forged carbon fiber body kit. Check that out. And then we also met up with Gigi Papasavis is over there, and then Team Lone Shark. So we've been just mobbing through the streets. The reason why I haven't made a lot of videos when we're driving is because I'm driving most of the time. We're about 30 minutes away from the hotel now, and Derek's gonna take over. But these cars are freaking insane. When I tell you they're insane, like, insane. Oh, hell yes. Oh my God, that Porsche sounds amazing. Listen to that. Oh! Oh, this is awesome! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is awesome! Holy s***! Welcome everyone to Goldrush Rally! Oh my God! So, like I said earlier, we're 25 minutes away from the hotel, and I think we're gonna cut that time down by a lot. We've lost our credit Bespoke Bentley Bentayga because we accidentally took the wrong route earlier. But other than that, this rally is insane. So we've got the C7, we've got the Huracan with a 1016 forged carbon fiber wide body kit, Gigi Papasavis right there in her GT3. Oh, this Mustang! The hills are alive with the sound of race cars. Check that out right there. We've got the RCF right behind us too. Now, the question is, will Team Lone Shark catch up? There's everyone. Oh, look at that 812, bro. You hear that? This Mustang's angry. Oh, dude, this. Oh, there it is, the baby little pups. Oh my God. Bro, oh, look at that lineup. I know you guys can't really see it right now because of the sun, but we'll get a better look. Heck yeah, welcome to Monterey, boys. Oh my God, that is awesome. Oh! Look at that go. Oh yeah. How epic. How epic is this freaking lineup? Check that out. We've got Team Lone Shark that finally caught up. Okay, so we just arrived from the hotel. All the cars are all parked up here, as you can see. We're just waiting on side with the Bentayga, but then there's the tech. So beautiful. And then it looks like the cars back there are getting their wash and everything like that. Our credit Bespoke Mustang over there, just chilling right next to the Burger King GT63. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here because we're gonna have an early day tomorrow, and we're not really gonna do anything much. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.